guys, my name is Jazz and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, I discuss everything fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. Today I have like a styling slash unboxing video. I got something off my wish list, which I'm excited about, my luxury wish list. If you haven't checked out that video, please check that out. I will put it up here. But I got the Gucci platform denim slides. I've been wanting them for a while. They were sold out. When I actually ordered these slides, they were actually on back order, like to be produced at the end of April. It's beginning of April. I got them in last week, so they came a little bit earlier, but I'm like, if you guys were thinking about getting these slides, watch this video. I will show you guys how I plan to style them, if they're worth it, how they feel, what do I think, and all of that juicy stuff. But you know, I gifted myself because I deserve it, and if you don't want to gift yourself something, then you should. Doesn't have to necessarily be anything luxury, but if you want it, get it. I live by that motto. So let's do the unboxing. So I, of course, got the gifting box. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna give myself, it is a gift to myself. So of course it came like pretty and like the wrapping and the luxurious box and all of that. So this is how the denim slide looks. I'm so glad to get this. Like me and Simply Cora, if you don't check out her channel, check it out. I'll put it in my bio, in my description box. But she got these too. She didn't end up liking them. She's gonna return them, but I thought they were cute. But I got them as well. I got the denim one. I felt like I would get a lot of wear out of them. Before I even purchased them, I was like, usually before I make a big purchase and spend a lot of money, I'm usually like, okay, think of like 3-4 ways right off the bat that you can wear it before you even like hit complete purchase. But I got the denim one. I thought they were super cute. I felt like with the tan ones, I probably would get them dirty super quickly, and I felt like the denim kind of played like a neutral role in my wardrobe. So I'm gonna show you guys how I wear them, but this is the slide here. It's denim. I am a true size 9 to 9.5. For the most part, when I'm ordering shoes, I always go with the 9.5 because it seems like when I get a 9, like my foot is hanging off the back. So I guess I'm a 9.5 in denial. So these are a 9.5, the 39.5. They don't look too huge. I was like nervous that they were gonna look like humongous on my foot, but they actually like feel really good. The material is actually really thick. So it doesn't feel cheap, of course, or anything like that. Has a leather inside the cushion, and like this actual part feels comfortable. I'll show you guys how it looks on my foot, but like when I put this on my foot, these, if you were thinking about these platform slides, like these are heavy. So like right now I'm still debating. For the most part, I think I'm gonna keep them. Let me know what you guys think when I try them on, but like they're heavy. I'm like, can I walk around the city with these? Or are they gonna just be so heavy that I wanna change to something else? And I feel like as a casual shoe, I definitely need to be like comfortable, but it is heavy. Like if you hit somebody with it, they're gonna get hit. But it is a heavy shoe. The G's on it are pretty much like a tan, like neutral color, but I was actually, not that I thought it was gonna be a light shoe, but I was actually like shocked at how actual like heavy it is. But it is heavy, but the quality feels amazing. I already know how I'm gonna wear it, so I'm gonna show you guys how I plan to get them. Let me know in the comments if you picked these up or you've been thinking about them. But also in the description box, I'm gonna put some other, if you didn't want to invest in the Gucci one, some other brands that may be a little bit lower in cost that look the same kind of vibe if you still kind of on the fence. But I'm gonna show you guys how these look on me and how I plan to style them. But so far I like them. I'm still kind of like, are they comfortable? Are they too heavy? Like, you know, like I can't wear them outside until I really know. But the only thing that I'm just kind of like is shocked is how actually heavy they are. I don't think I had a shoe this heavy since probably like platform slides in like middle school. But I'm gonna try them on. I'm gonna show you the ways that I style it and let me know your favorite look. But let's get into the ways I will wear these. So guys, that is all the ways in which I will style my Gucci platform slide. And I'm glad I did this video because like as I was doing the video, I'm like, oh yeah, I can wear it this way, I can wear it this way. It gave me even more ideas on how to wear them. So I think I'm gonna keep them. Let me know what you guys think if you like them. And I will say once I was wearing them more like in the house changing outfits, I got used to the actual weight of the shoe. And it's pretty comfortable. I don't feel like if I wore them in a day in the city that I would be like screaming in pain or anything. They're just, the weight is just a little heavy, but other than that I have no complaints. When styling these, which I love about them is that sometimes, you know, like I know I love shoes and you can buy like this fancy heel, but then you end up wanting like something like that you can run around the city in and still look cute. This is that kind of shoes. So if you want to look cute but still look like you're doing a little something, I definitely say check them out. I know people have said when I watch other reviews that they run a little bit big, but I will say they actually run true to size. Like if I went like any bigger, they would be too big and clunky. If I went any smaller, they would be too small. So get your true size. If you're a true 10 or a 9, get your true size. I'm like not in denial anymore that I'm a true 9.5, so the 39.5 is perfect. And I felt like there were just so many ways to wear them. And even though sometimes with denim you can feel like it can be a little restricting, I found this to be neutral enough that it didn't compete. When I wore it with denim shorts, it was fine. I didn't feel like it was weird or anything, but I like them. I think they're worth it. I'm glad I got them. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Did you hop on the trend? Did you get the canvas? What color did you get? What color are you thinking? Let me know in the comments. Be sure to like this video and subscribe. First subscribe. And until next time guys, be safe and be well. Bye.